Hi, I'm Ravi Prashad from MK12 Autocare. I'm in just north of the M8 city centre, about a mile north. This is our garage. We do MOT servicing and repair.
And what challenges were you facing before using TechMan?
Basically an organisational thing. So paper invoices never really cut it. You need a professional look. So we have TechMan now. So we do our stock reporting from there. We do our quantity management. So what we sell, how much of what we sell. It helps us focus on any campaigns that we're doing, like tyres or brakes or what have you. It's just an all-round good package.
And what made you decide to go with TechMan?
It's ease of use. We use a light package and it's good value. We like the MOT Refresh, it updates our customers and all that. It's very good.
How easy was it to get set up with TechMan, like the onboarding, the training?
Onboarding and training is fine. There's lots of web seminars so you can keep up to date with what you're doing and what have you.
What features of TechMan do you use the most?
Probably the sales turnover report.
Oh, lovely.
I find that really useful. Not only for the accountants at the end of the quarter, but during the month, at any given point, you can have a snapshot of what's selling and what's not. That's probably the most useful.
Yeah.
Other than the regular invoicing, which is day-to-day running. On the reporting side, the turnover report is the most useful report you can have, because that actually breaks down sector by sector what's selling, what needs attention, and what the margin is, and things like that. That's all really good stuff.
How has TechMan improved your day-to-day operations?
It's made it smoother.
Yeah.
Made it smoother, for sure.
Have you noticed an increase in productivity or profitability?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, MOT Refresh is one of the really good ideas from them. You get a lot more exposure with your repeat business. And your repeat business, like any garage person would tell you, is where your money's at.
How do you find TechMan's customer support and ongoing assistance?
Excellent. Very responsive.
Yeah.
No problems at all. Really had a lot of help from people like Alex over at the office, but very supportive.
Lovely.
As soon as you send something across, within the hour you get a response.
What would you say to other garages thinking about using TechMan?
I'd say do it. Do it. Probably suits medium to larger garages. We're sort of on the small side, hence we use a light package. But having said that, if we in the future scale up, then yeah, absolutely, we've got the infrastructure now to do it.
Yeah, so you'd recommend TechMan?
Yes, absolutely recommend.